Welcome to Vintage Stitchery Archives. Let's step back into the 1940s with this vintage WorkBasket magazine from June 1948. This issue features delicate threadwork patterns for doilies, edgings, accessories, and home linens, all designed during a time when crochet was both necessity and art. For this flip-through, I've chosen to present this as a full-page slideshow, so you can pause and even take screenshots of the patterns you would like to save. If you would like the complete magazine in PDF format, it's available in my Etsy shop at the link in the description below. Alongside the patterns, you'll find advertisements that give us a wonderful glimpse into daily life in the late 1940s. Aunt Ellen's Recipes and Household Hints offers charming slices of 1940s homemaking. Thank you for joining me for this vintage WorkBasket magazine flip-through. If you enjoy needlework history, please like, subscribe, and share. It helps preserve these treasures and keeps more vintage magazines coming your way. Thanks for watching.